بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين ثم الصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وآله الطاهرين. As we were talking about the principles of Islam, we talked about the fourth principle of Islam, which was imamate, in the last session. In this episode, we are going to talk about the fifth important principle of Islam, which is the Day of Judgment. One of the important reasons to prove the existence of the Day of Judgment is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is wise and He is the most knowledgeable one. His knowledge is absolute. So a wise God should have a purpose for His creation. So He created the whole universe. He created these millions or numberless creatures in this universe. The question is that what is the objective? What is the purpose of the creation? So these billions of people lived in this world, and what is the objective? What is the purpose behind this creation? One of the objectives, one of the purposes could be this, that on the Day of Judgment Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will judge. Because life is a kind of golden opportunity that is given to the creatures, particularly to human beings. So life is an opportunity. We are provided with this opportunity. The question is that how should we live in this world? What is the purpose of God, of our creation? Does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala create us without any purpose? Without any objective? Of course not. It is impossible for a wise and a hakim God to create us without any objective, without any purpose. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us, and He will judge us on the Day of Judgment, as He informed us of that day by sending us the Imams and the Prophets, as we talked about in the previous sessions. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provided us with enough knowledge and information about the Day of Judgment, about the divine rules, and He will judge us. Once He judged us on the Day of Judgment, and then He will reward us based on good things that we do in our lives, and He will punish us based on bad things that we will commit in our lives. So Day of Judgment is a manifestation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's justice, as the second principle of Islam is divine justice, and the Shia Muslims believe in this as the second important principle of their Islamic beliefs. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just, and He will judge us on the Day of Judgment fairly, so we will be rewarded. We will be rewarded. If we live a true life in this world, we will be rewarded. The reward is what? The reward is Jannah. The reward is paradise. What is paradise? Paradise is a kind of unlimited or infinite source of pleasures for the good people. Because these sort of unlimited pleasures, unlimited kind of perfection that we are going to achieve in this world, since it is not possible for us to achieve that, and at the same time we will naturally try to achieve that, and unfortunately it is impossible to achieve that in this world, so we will achieve that in the hereafter life. That is why, to perfect ourselves, to achieve that prosperous life, we should be rewarded based on the good things that we do in this life. So life is an opportunity, and we will be asked about this opportunity on the Day of Judgment, because this opportunity cannot be given to us without any purpose, without any objective. As we in our ordinary life, we do not give anyone any kind of opportunity without any kind of responsibility, without any kind of question, without any kind of objective or purpose. That's why, since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is wise and hakim, He sent us the prophets, the imams. He will judge us, and that is the objective and the purpose of the creation of human being. So very briefly we talked about these 5 principles of Islam. Inshallah, in the future we will talk about these principles in details. So stay with Imam Hussain Online Seminary. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.